the city of Sendai. Now, we're quite close to the port here, maybe half a mile away, and you can see how far the mangled mess of these cars has actually been flung. You can feel the weight and the force of the water. And all the way up here, you can see cars that have just been flipped over onto their head. They've been wrapped around electricity pylons. Further down towards the port, you can actually see full-size trucks that have been smashed against buildings. Now, notably, the buildings themselves are still standing, but the devastation is pretty clear to see, and debris all across the tarmac here. Now, the reason we're not going further down into the port itself is because there's been at least 2 tsunami warnings. This is just in the last hour alone. You can see this is obviously from the earthquake itself. There's a lot of cracks in the road around this particular area. Now, people have been streaming away from this area, as I said.
March 11, 2011, a strong earthquake hits Japan. This is our location. This is March 11, 2011, during the earthquake. You can see our location compared to other places that really hit by strong tsunami.
Lahat ng mga kapatid sa Pilipinas, ligtas po kami sa awa ng Ama.
Tokyo, no? Sa Tokyo. Sa ngayon.
Sa ngayon.
Nothing to be afraid.
No, nothing to be afraid.
Ako Jack na ligtas.
Ngayon po ay March 13, Linggo. Pangalawang araw po matapos po ang paglindol. Ito po ang highway dito sa dako po namin, Itabashi po. Normal po na tumatakbo ang mga sasakyan dito sa Tokyo. Paminsan-minsan po ay nakakaranas po kami ng mga aftershocks. Aftershock. Nakakashock. Marami po ang mga hindi nakakatulog dahil minsan natatakot, baka mataganan. Ito po yung pangalawang araw matapos yung nangyaring paglindol. Lalakad po ako pauwi para ma-exercise. Okay, ito po yung mga bahay na nadadaanan ko. Crossing the streets. Wow. $300. Wow, 100 yen. 100 yen lang ang patatas. Mura naman. Ayan lang. Pandagdag na dalahin sa buhay.